Let's talk to Timothy McLaughlin.
Okay.
Good morning. Are you Timothy Raymond McLaughlin?
Yes, sir.
Mr. McLaughlin, you're charged with assault with intent to do great bodily harm, 2 counts, malicious destruction of personal property, and domestic assault. You're here with your lawyer, Miss Casey Strong. What are we going to do with this case?
Your Honor, we have a misdemeanor offer to resolve the case. I've provided advice of rights, and I'll let Attorney Robert put the offer on the record.
All right, what's the offer?
The offer is for the defendant to plead to MDOP 200 to 1,000 and a DV first with no objection to him being placed on a deferral for that domestic violence. The other counts would be dismissed.
All right, MDOP, malicious destruction of property, is a misdemeanor. If it's over $200 but less than $1,000, it's punishable by up to a year in jail. If the felony charges are dismissed, and that also leaves a domestic violence charge. Domestic violence is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. The law requires that I get some input before I do the sentence in that case, that I adjourn it for at least 7 days, or 10 days, excuse me. So are you going to plead to those 2 misdemeanor offenses?
Yeah.
Anybody threaten you to get you to do that?
No, sir.
Or promise you anything? To understand that if you do plead to this charge, you'll be giving up your right to have a trial in front of a judge or jury and all the rights that go with it on here.
Yes, sir. Is he speaking loud enough for the?
I'm not sure, he's nodding his head, but
Yes, sir.
all right, thank you. All right, let's take a look at the complaint here. Complaint alleges that in this case that you assaulted Danielle Ballard and broke some property. Were you living with Danielle Ballard in the city of Three Rivers?
Yeah, she was staying with me
All right, and where were you living?
in my apartment,
Which is where?
615 Thomas Street, apartment 3.
All right, it shows here White Pigeon, but so you were living at Edgewater?
No,
No,
River Trail.
River Trail, it's called. Yeah, all right. How'd you do with the tornado?
Got a couple buildings pretty bad.
Yes, it did.
Yeah.
Officer Studebaker lives over there. I haven't seen him since that. All right, so did you assault her?
Uh, I, yes, I restrained her.
All right, did you take her phone away from her and break it?
In the scuffle, it did get smashed, yeah.
All right, what were you arguing about?
Honestly, Judge, I couldn't even tell you.
Had you been drinking?
No, sir.
Yeah, this happens a lot. People have a big knockdown, drag out fight and you say, what was it about? And they're like, I can't remember.
It's exactly what it is.
She said you assaulted her 4 times. Now, did you also, so what was the MDOP, the phone?
Correct.
And it's worth, you agree that phone's worth more than $200?
Yes,
All right, well, there's more to this. So who's in the apartment now, her or you?
me.
She's moved out?
Yes, sir.
You had a previous assault and battery, but it was reduced to disturbing the peace. So I couldn't see that you were not eligible for a deferral. I'm sure the prosecutor probably already checked that. All right. I'll accept your plea. Set for sentence. Same as always, need victim input. Police report and photos. All right, let's see if we can find a date that works for your attorney.
I'm
It's kind
free
of what-
all the days except Mondays. All the days, Your Honor.
All right, how about Sunday?
I'm free that day.
Well, I'm probably not, so let's see what we got. How about April 1st at 10:30? Does that work for you?
Absolutely.
All right, Mr. McLaughlin, one of the other things I want you to do before that date is pay your fines.
Yes, sir. I was gonna stop there and get payment started today, actually.
You got a driving suspended, reduced to allowing another to violate the motor vehicle code last October. And you promptly paid us back by paying 0 on that. The last guy, I put him in jail and wiped out his fines and costs with jail. If you'd like to do that, I can do that, but that's October. It's now March. You haven't paid 1 cent. I want to see also how much you pay on that before I do the sentence. Are you working somewhere?
Yeah.
Where's that?
At River Trail.
How are you? McLaughlin is an old Three Rivers name. Which branch of the family are you from?
Good one.
Well, maybe they're all good ones, but who is,
Let's see, Raymond was my grandpa,
okay,
so, yeah.
they're good one. So maybe they're all good. That will be a Wednesday, April 1, 2026 at 10:30. Your lawyer will probably send you a more formal notice, but put this one on your refrigerator. Don't want you to miss the hearing. All right, you're good to go, sir. So stop out at the clerk. Anything you pay on this will apply toward your existing fines and costs. He had a Did he get printed?
I'm not totally sure.
He has a fingerprint order on here.
Yeah, I got one.
All right.
Numbers are added.